The Voice of the People, Khliehriat Circle yesterday had a sit-in demonstration at DC campus which was participated by general public from Khliehriat constituency and Sutanga Saipung constituency. The demonstration was held to support the VPP chief Adan Basaimot, who is holding the protest at Shillong on reservation policy. Later, a public meeting was held under the leadership of VPP executive member from East Giant Hills district, Dame Wanhi Rimbai. Addressing the meeting, Rimbai said that their demand on reservation policy will not end here, but it will continue till the government review the reservation policy.
Jadi kita cuma kelai mengor yungi, to man go man chi bachau ne, to kejing kerchan go ratba, go man pura, ya kejing ki yong ba arden hetai haslong, go open bori, ya ginong mikman. Yang ini negeri kita yungi, open bori yang sorkar, gua himkia go, ya kini kejing ki gua jai yungi. Kerkau man kata ki kon gendro, ki kejat beruhi yungi, dang bicar, lene dang yaki yaksari, dengan uguluti gua suk, dengan uguluti gua jai, gua penkongu yang kini ke sorkar lembaga jengem yungi ki MLA hado le pun rungut. Teyui kerkau man kata kejing lain gua por. Ki wituan ki political party dasdang ki uklam yang kini reservation policy dengan ngajo kejing lain gua por ha gua unang yogi yang kata kejing che unang wan ki kata kejing perkat gua ukurun ki segeri gua bru gua kadawa gua ki wole ne betayongi.
The State Tobacco Control Cell